Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I just wanted to do a quick update on my do-it-yourself project. I'm going to be painting my cabinets. First I'm going to clean them, and I just want to show you some of the items that I got. This TSP substitute, it cleans before painting, and some of the things that's required because it does have chemicals in it and I don't want any on my skin. So I got these nitrile durable strength gloves, and I got some protective goggles. Believe it or not, that's what they recommended. I got some sponges just, to use on my cabinets. I'm going to throw these away after I finish cleaning them. And guys, I'm not sure, and of course this bucket, because I don't want to rinse the sponges out in my sink. I'm going to, throw the water in the toilet. And guys, let me this is some of the colors that I'm considering. This is a functional gray. This is a fun brindle. They look kind of close together, but I'll put them all together and you'll see the difference. This is a gateway gray. This is a Dorian gray. I think gray's gonna look good. I'm gonna change out my dining set, get a new one. I have a dark wood, so I'll see. And this is balanced beige. Okay, so let me just kind of put them together and you'll see the difference. Let me see. They're not, they look the same, but when you put them together, they're not really. Some's a little lighter, some darker. So, they didn't have any samples for the cabinets, and I'm gonna have to test my cabinets to see whether it's wood or whatever it is. I think they're wood, but I gotta test it because that depends on what kind of paint that I'm going to use for my cabinets. I've been talking a lot with one of the hardware stores, and so he recommended that I either sand it to see what's what, and if there's like a beige underneath the sanding, that means it's wood. So that would determine what kind of paint. Or I can unscrew one of the cabinets and excuse me, and take it to the hardware store. So I have some sandpaper around here, so I'm gonna do that. That's a little bit easier than trying to unscrew it. Although I don't know whether I'm gonna take those doors off, because I think I can get around. I think I can get around the little fixtures and everything. I took the handles off. So anyway, there you go. Again, my battery's getting ready to die, so thank you for coming in and seeing my little project. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel, guys. It's free. Have a great weekend.